Stevie. 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 You see what I got from the Pet Expo today, Stevie? Things I got from the Pet Expo today for the Stevie. And for myself. And for all the pussycats. And for Lulu, the doggy. Yeah, this stuff. This is not from the Pet Expo. But dried chicken necks and salmon, dried salmon bellies. Yeah, definitely all your favourites. Fishy biscuit, but all of you like that. That's from the supermarket though. This, not really quite for the Stevie, but it's a hand towel, pussycat hand towel. And yes, the Stevie, not quite, but close. A cat teaspoon tray, and this might be for the Stevie. See what else there is there, Stevie? How about this? This is for the cat and for Lulu. Sardines. Yeah, sardines. Yeah, yum, yeah, yum. And what else have we got? Chicken breast jerky for cats and dogs. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, for Lulu too. Yeah, yum, yum. And what else have we got here? And we've got tuna cat treats. Tuna cat treats. Even I'm sure Lulu will try. Yeah, but they are for the cats. But yeah, you lot will work it out. And what else have we got here? And it's not quite for the Stevie. That's a little charm. I'm hang up on my dash, my mirror, my rear vision middle mirror in my car. So not quite for the Stevie. Yes, Lulu. Black cat, okay? Black will bring you home lots of good luck. Bold, friendly, great fun to play, hide and seek with. Always the best dressed category. That you, Stevie? Hey, Stevie? Stevie, you reckon? You reckon so? You're black cat. It's not far off the mark. It's not far off the mark. I know you're not very impressed there, Stevie. But hey, I thought of it with you. So as I saw it, I thought, yep. Even though had all different types of cat pictures, all different things written about them. I thought in the end I'll get the black cat one. Because it reminds me of Stevie. Could have got the tabby. Could have got a Burmese. Could have got the tuxedo one. Yeah, look at what we got around here. Yeah. But the thing is, how much space have we got? I mean, I'm sure we could create space, but... And we got, was there anything else here? No, I think it might be rubbish. Oh, no. And also got myself a key ring, but it's already on my keys. Where can I open it? Usually at the part we can just open... filled it up well, have they? There it is. You can peel it back. You can peel it back like that. Ooh, Stevie. Want some? Yeah, break it off and put it like there. This, absolutely. Long way around of saying it. Nice. Get down. You shouldn't be jumping up. You don't let you jump up on the table. You get down. Down. Yeah, that's it. That. You don't let you in as a reason. Because I don't want you stealing anything. Maybe because of this video, I've lost my senses a bit. Alright, all good. Yummy. Stevie, it's all gone. Yeah, all gone. Obviously good. Yeah, very good. Well done, Stevie. Well done, Lulu. Yeah, can have more after. Just a sample. Just a sample, Lulu. Just a sample, Stevie. Yeah. Go check it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, get down, Lulu. Oh. Oh, okay. I cave in easily. Then that's it. Until dinner time. I'm a sucker. We'll break a bit off for you, Stevie. There we go. There we go, Stevie. That's good. That's yummy. Get down. Yeah, it's good. Pass the test. Yeah, pass the test. Definitely pass the test, hey, Stevie. Oh, you dropped it. Oh, ugh. Stevie. What? Oh, ew. Yes, I wash the tables down daily. So, yes. Any spaces, yes. Worth clean it. Yes, absolutely. There we go. Oh. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, say it's good, eh? Yeah. Look says it all. Yeah. Tasty.